You have a great career, you're making the six figures, your finances are insured, your life is insured, your house is insured, you buy a Porsche with insurance, but have you thought about insuring your paint? Well, make sure you protect it with XPEL. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, the owner of Detail Driven. We are located here in Harrisburg, Virginia. Right here we have a Porsche 911 992.2 Carrera 4S that had come in for a full body wrap in XPEL paint protection film along with ceramic coatings. So we're gonna go deep and explain to you how we got this whole thing to this stage. So in order for us to get to the paint protection film installation stage, the vehicle has to go through the decontamination and wash stage in our wash bay. So the whole car is thoroughly washed, decontaminated, clay barred, iron X, completely cleaned. So that way the whole surface is smooth. There's no dirt, grime, is completely cleaned and washed off. That way we can get it into the paint protection film installation bay and get it ready for the actual film install. Now we do inspect the paint. In this case, the vehicle did look very good. It didn't have any defects in it, so we did not need any paint correction work, but there are times where vehicles come in, especially if it's a darker color, where we'll find obvious sanding marks and things like that, which we have to polish out before installing the film to ensure that it's the best, essentially, gloss, clarity, and finish. All right, so after the vehicle is thoroughly prepped, it gets to the tear down stage. So when you're doing a Porsche like this, there's not a whole lot that we need to take apart. The headlights come out, the side markers come out, the front badge comes out there. And in this case, we did remove the side mirrors here as well. That way we get a complete seamless installation. So I'll take it around really quick. As you can see, there is no visible edges coming all the way around through here. Everything is thoroughly tucked. Everything is thoroughly tucked coming all the way through here. Edges are fully wrapped, fully rolled over. That way it is a complete invisible installation, and that's the result that we shoot for. Now, when you're doing things like this, and you're taking apart mirrors and headlights with new modern cars, or some cars in general, they will throw codes and things like that. So that's why many shops, they will stay away from doing this kind of thing. But we do have a technician on site that works for us. We got the diagnostics tools. So once everything gets assembled back, we go in, scan the computers, read all of the error codes that the car throws at us. We clean them out, clear them out, make sure everything's good, and it's ready for delivery. All right, so that's all, folks. The vehicle is fully wrapped. We're super happy with how it came out. It looks incredible. It even went next door to get some window tint done on it as well. So obviously ceramic coating was installed right over the paint protection film to make it that much easier to keep the vehicle clean. The benefits of ceramic coating on top of paint protection film almost seems like it's overkill. You're adding paint protection film as a protection and then a protection on top of the paint protection. Well, the benefits of ceramic coating again are it's easy to keep the vehicle clean, the hydrophobic properties, the vehicle stays cleaner longer, and it adds a lot of depth and gloss to the finish as well. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love Porsches, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a good one and take care.